Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Moxy from the UglyDolls movie. Now we're going to start this drawing off with the eye. So let's move over to the left side of center and draw in a circle. Starting from the very top, work our way around to the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of the circle, come down to the same height, and back up towards the top. Now I'm going to draw two smaller circles on the inside for the pupils, but we're going to shift them inward. So on the left side, we'll draw a small circle. We're going to fill that in black. Now go to the center of the right eye, come in, draw that same size circle, and we'll fill that in black. Let's add in the eyelashes. We'll go on top of the left eye and draw a straight line going up. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's add two more along the side. We're going to move out, angle this up towards the left, come down, and then angle out. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to move down and draw on the top edge of the mouth. Starting directly underneath the left eye, we're going to curve down, and then back up underneath the right eye. Let's round out the corners of the mouth. On the left, we're going to round this out, come down. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with the lower part of the mouth. We start on the left side, we're going to come down a little bit lower, and we're going to pull that back up on the right side. Now let's add in the top row of teeth. We're going to start with the center tooth. We're going to draw a half oval, come down, and then up. We're going to add the same one over on the left side. Starting on the inside, we're going to curve down, and then up. Now we're going to leave a gap on the right and draw the same thing. We're going to draw on the top edge of the tongue. So we're going to start on the left side of the mouth, we're going to curve up, and then back down. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to move out and draw on the outside edge of the head. We're going to start with a half circle for the top of the head. So from the left eye, we're going to move out towards the side of the head. We're drawing that half circle. We're going to go all the way up towards the top of the head, round it out, and then come down on the right side. Now back on the left side, we're going to round this out and come down at an angle towards the shoulder. Come down to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Rounding it out, and then angling it in. Now we're going to add some hair over on the right side. Directly above the right eye, right up here, we're going to draw a curve. We're going to go up, round this out, and we're just going to pull that down to right about there. We're going to draw another curve going around, aiming towards the right. Curve up, round it out, and pull that in. We'll draw one more, angling out towards the side. Go out, and pull that in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to draw on the arms coming in towards the center of the body. So we start on the left side, we're going to go out, round out the arm, now we're just going to pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Round out the arm, curve in, we're going to leave a gap in between the arms. Now we're going to add 3 fingers pointing inward. Starting on the left, we're going to round out the finger, and go back out. We're going to add 2 more up on top. Coming in, then back out. Let's draw one more, curving in and back out. Let's do the same thing on the right side. We'll round out the finger and go back out. Go back out, the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go out towards the thumb. Now we're going to draw the thumbs pointing up. Starting from the top of this finger, we're going to curve up and then back down. Now back on the left side, I'm going to curve out the top of the arm, aiming towards the shoulder, but we're not going to go all the way. We're going to stop right about there. Now we're going to have her holding a large heart. So directly above the right hand, we're going to step up, start with a point. From this point, I'm going to curve up, and then down on top of the left thumb. Back in the center, we're going to curve up, and then tuck that in behind the arm. Now the heart's going to come around towards the bottom center point. So let's start down here with a point. We're going to curve up underneath the hand on the left, Go back to the center, we're gonna curve out and up underneath the arm on the right. Now I'm gonna go back in and trace the heart along the inside. Starting from the top point, I'm gonna step down, just try to leave an even space gap all the way around. In behind the hand, towards the bottom, and then up underneath the arm. We'll continue along the top on the right. Now we're gonna move back up and draw on the two curls coming out the side of the head. Starting from the top of the shoulder on the left, I'm gonna curve down, and I'm just gonna pull that up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving down, and then up. We're gonna round this out, come back down. Now the hair is gonna taper as you come back in towards the head, so it gets a little bit thicker as you come in. So we're gonna follow that same curve and go up. Now let's move back down and draw on the body. Underneath the left arm on the side, we curve out, round out the body, and then pull that in. Do the same thing on the right. Rounding out the body, and then pulling that in. Now the body overlaps the legs, so we're going to continue the body in the center. So leaving a gap on the left side, I'm going to curve down in the middle, and then back over towards the right. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath the body. From this point, I'm going to step out, curve out and down, do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. From the left side, I'm going to curve down and then back up. Same thing on the right side. Now we're gonna go straight up underneath the body. Starting with the left, and then the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Moxy from the Ugly Dolls movie. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.